What's up, guys, and welcome to the Budding Watch Enthusiast. It's been a little bit since I've done just an unboxing without a watch overview, but this one came together pretty quickly. So not enough time to really research the watch heavily, but and really I was just excited to crack this guy open and see what's inside. So you guys know what's in here, but we are still going to get this box open and see what's inside. I'm actually really excited about this video. If I can get this damn FedEx box open. Let us pull out what we got in here. Pack material. Probably should save that because the box might come in handy a little bit later on. So if you can see here, we have not one but two watches today, both from NTH. I've been talking about NTH a little bit. I mentioned it in the District Time Watch Show video that I attended last week, or a couple weeks ago actually. At this point, geez, time has flown. So if you have not checked that out, I'll probably link it in here in the show notes and in the card up above. Sorry, I'm just trying to preserve the bubble wrap because I'm gonna need this bubble wrap a little bit later on. But yeah, so two NTH watches. What could they be? You guys probably already know because if you click the title for the video, we'll get the Griptilian out of here. If you click in the video, you know what they are. But let's take a look-see. And inside we have the beautiful NTH Nazario #1. But perhaps more importantly, perhaps more maybe what you guys came to see, we have the Nazario Sauro, the brand new NTH Nazario. Let's get it out of the plastic immediately so we can check this beautiful watch out. So yeah, take a look at the Nazario Sauro here in all of its glory. And again, this was sent in by Keil of WatchGauge, who I met at the District Time show a couple weeks ago, and we hit it off. Thank you very much, John, for sending these in. This is actually a brand new Nazario that just came in very recently, and the regular Nazario, the black Nazario, this is actually his personal one that he sent in just so that we can compare the two against each other, which we'll do when we get to the full review for sure. But yeah, the Sauro is the one that is the brand newbie, the one that we're going to be checking out, spending the most time with for sure. Just a very nice looking watch. And I'm not usually a white dial watch type of guy, but I do find this one very attractive. I can tell you that I love the gold seconds hand. That just adds a really nice bit of contrast from the rest of what's going on with the dial. Really helps it stand out. Again, I love the steel bezel here with the little flourishes of red inside of it. If we look at the crown, we can't see it here. Again, you'll get this when we get to the review, but the NTH logo in here is actually loomed as well as it is with all of the NTH subs. And my favorite part, look how thin this watch is. I want to say it's like 10.5 millimeters. Which for a watch that has a 90-15, a Miyota 90-15 movement, this is the only company that you'll see, that I've seen, and you can feel free to correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. This is the only company I've seen that uses the 90-15 that can get it in a case that is this thin, and it's really cool that they're able to do that. So yeah, let's take a look. Let's twist the bezel around. Good action. It's firm. It does not move. No, not a lot of back play there. A little bit soft on the click. I like one with a little bit more, let's call it determination, I guess, on the click. But yeah, the biggest thing for me with bezels is back play, and there's not an inch of it on this one. Very cool. Let's take a look at how this looks on the wrist. So here is the Nazario Sauro on my 8-inch wrist. It is a perfect size. I know usually when I do these unboxings, I also give you like the overview of the watch and all the dimensions and particulars. Didn't have time to do that with this one. Like I said, this came together pretty quickly, so you'll get all that when I do the full review. But this is a very, very good size for me. Hey, let's also put on the regular Nazario as well. And there's the regular Nazario as well. Fits just as well. So yeah, I'm looking forward to getting to spend some time with these two watches to get to know them a little bit better, and then providing you guys with a full review on these two. Gonna be very, very cool. Again, John Keil, thank you so much for sending these in and giving me a chance to play with these a little bit and get to know them better. And it's gonna be fun to review. I've really had my eye on NTH for a while now, and I think they make a really cool product, and it's going to be great to finally be able to experience them hands-on, in-depth. So, like I said, just a very brief unboxing and first look here at the Nazario Sauro for you guys today. Or is it Sauro? I'm going to figure that out before the review so that I can pronounce it correctly for you guys. So again, thank you very much for watching. If you found this video entertaining or informative, please hit the like button. Also, if you're new to the channel, click subscribe and ring the bell icon so you never miss a new episode when I post. And of course, if you are on Instagram, I always ask you to follow me there at Budding Watch Enthusiast, and give me a follow there as well, where you'll be seeing some more pics of these two for sure as well. So again, thank you guys very much for watching. Look out for the full review of these next week, and I will talk to you later.